Repeat ingredients: ketchup, mushrooms, pepper, flour, yeast, oil, black olives, egg, mozzarella, milk.
Hi everyone!
Hi my friends!
Today we're going to talk about our homemade pizza recipe. We're gonna teach you a lot of new words. You're gonna like it.
Before we get started, please subscribe us. Ding!
Please click the subscribe button down below, like our videos, and share them with your friends.
Are you ready? Let's go!
We're doing grocery shopping for our pizza.
Please remember to subscribe us.
Let's go!
Let's take a shopping cart.
Shopping cart, grocery cart, or shopping trolley.
I'm going to the produce section to get some vegetables.
Now our pizza ingredients.
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms. Let's get this one.
Green peppers.
Green peppers.
Wow, it's so big. Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Mozzarella.
Pizza cheese.
Excuse me. I love olives.
Me too.
Ketchup.
Ketchup.
Black olives.
Black olives.
Mayo.
Or mayonnaise.
Now for the dough. We need
For the pizza dough we need.
flour,
Oh yes, flour.
and
And
yeast.
yeast to make the dough swell.
Oh, look at the chocolates here. I like this part the most.
Let's go home, Helen. We have no time. We need to make our homemade pizza.
Daddy, I want chocolate. I want chocolate. Our pizza ingredients: ketchup, mushrooms, pepper, flour, yeast, oil, black olives, egg, mozzarella, milk.
Great! You made it.
Ketchup,
Ketchup.
mushrooms,
Mushrooms.
pepper,
Pepper.
flour,
Flour.
yeast,
Yeast.
oil,
Oil.
black olive,
Black olive.
egg,
Egg.
mozzarella,
Mozzarella.
milk.
Milk.
Now let's make the dough. First, we heat the milk. We wait until it's a little warm. Then we pour it into a bowl. Then we add the yeast to the milk. And we stir it gently. Now we cover it and wait for a few minutes until the yeast wakes up.
Now let's see what the yeast is like.
Wow! Look at the yeast there! It's foamy! It's foamy!
Foamy, foamy. Our yeast is ready.
Let's add the flour.
We add our foamy yeast to the flour. It's puffy. The yeast is so puffy. Wow! Let's see.
Now, let's mix it.
Let me help you.
Thank you, Daddy.
No problem, darling.
Can I mix it, Daddy?
Why not?
Now, let's add some oil.
Now we add some oil to grease the dough. And then we mix it again and again and again.
Wow! Our dough is almost ready. Now we knead the dough.
Yes, we knead the dough. We knead the dough until smooth.
Dad, help me, please.
I'm coming. Are you kneading the dough?
Yeah.
Oh, look. Let's knead the dough over and over again until smooth. We need a little flour, Helen. I'm so strong. Look. Yes. We're done with the dough.
Now we have a round, soft, smooth dough.
Let's wait for a few minutes until the dough rises up or until the dough swells.
And here is the dough. Oh, Daddy!
What happened? Oh, look at the dough.
Yeah. Fluffy, puffy, round and smooth.
Yes, fluffy, puffy, round and smooth. Look at the dough.
Daddy. Yes.
The dough, Helen. The dough. Now, our dough is ready.
What's this?
This is the dough. Now that's the time to roll out the dough. I'm gonna do it faster, Helen.
I'm faster.
Let's see. Let's have a contest. Let's see who is faster.
1, 2, 3. Give me the rolling pin, Dad.
You give me the rolling pin, Helen. Give me the rolling pin. Give me the rolling pin. Now I am rolling out the dough.
Daddy, give it back. Daddy, give it back.
Now you are rolling out the dough.
Now we're stretching the dough.
We're stretching the dough out.
Give it back. Now put the dough in the pizza pan. First, we're rubbing a little oil on the pan. Then we put the dough in the pizza pan. Hooray! Yeah!
Now let's fold the edge of the dough under and pinch it over. You did it, Helen, didn't you?
Yeah, I did it.
You're awesome. Well done, Helen, well done.
That's it.
Now let's go for the topping.
Now the topping. Let's slice some mushrooms.
Slice some mushrooms.
Dad, can you help me?
I'm coming.
Hi, Dad. Yeah.
Let's slice more mushrooms.
Okay. And shred.
Shred. Now let's dice the peppers.
We grate the cheese, mozzarella.
We grate the mozzarella.
And here is our grated cheese. Our topping is ready.
Sliced mushrooms, sliced black olives, diced tomatoes, diced peppers, and grated cheese.
Let's spread some mayo on the dough. And some ketchup.
We spread the mayo and the ketchup all over the dough. The more ketchup, the more delicious. Now let's add a little mozzarella on top of the dough. Now we put it in the oven until the cheese melts a bit. And now that's the time to add the other ingredients. We spread the sliced mushrooms on top of the cheese.
the whole pizza with mozzarella.
And now we add the other ingredients: peppers, tomatoes, and black olives. And here is our pizza. Now, let's put it into the oven. Give me the bomb, Helen.
Daddy can't wait to eat the pizza.
Be patient, darling. We're gonna eat it in 15 minutes.
Wow, look at the pizza, Dad.
It looks great.
And this is our homemade pizza. It looks delicious.
Would you like to join us?
Before you join, please subscribe us.
Please subscribe us, like our videos, and share them with your friends.
See you!